Let's look at this question. RVP is a very popular multiplex in the garden city of Bangalore. It has 5 screens: screen N, screen C, screen W, screen B, and screen E. 5 different movies, TKR, SP, TGST, PC, and EQ, were screened over 5 consecutive days on these screens. Each movie was shown on a different screen every day. Okay, so each movie was shown on a different day. Each movie was shown on a different screen every day. Similarly, each screen showed a different movie every day. So see, given that our distinction has been given, different screen every day and different movie every day. Each screen showed a different movie every day. I am creating a table based on this. What are the different screens available? N, C, W, B, and E. And then here, what do we have? Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. Okay, it should not be a box, it should be a line that I'm working with. Okay, so something of this nature gets created. A 5 by 5 matrix with the column head and row heads identified. Okay, this is done. This is to figure out which movie was screened where. This should give you a very pseudo quiz, right? Each movie was shown on a different screen every day. So on day 1, all the 5 movie names will come in the 5 spots that are present here. Similarly, each screen showed a different movie every day. So every column should also have a different movie displayed on each of the 5 days. Every row will have unique elements. Every column will have unique elements. Okay. This first point. In all screens except C, SP was screened before EQ. Now, this is a very, very throwaway line. So this is an extremely critical line. This is an extremely critical line for interpretation. Just to see. Somewhere SP was screened before EQ, apart from screen 3. Now, SP on day 1 will be shown somewhere. On day 2 will be shown somewhere. On day 3 will be shown somewhere. On day 4 will be shown somewhere. And on day 5 will be shown somewhere. Because SP has to come on 5 different days. SP has to be shown on 5 different days. So, can you see? On day 1, SP is somewhere. On day 2, SP somewhere. On day 3, SP somewhere. On day 4, SP somewhere. And on day 5, SP somewhere. If on all screens except C, SP was screened before EQ, at what spot, on which day, wherever SP is shown, on which day is it impossible for SP to be displayed before EQ? On which day is it impossible for SP to be displayed before EQ? On the day when SP is coming in at the 5th spot. When SP is being displayed on the 5th day, in that instance, SP cannot possibly come before EQ. SP is the last movie out of the list of 5 movies. So when they're telling us in all screens except C, SP was screened before EQ, we can happily say in screen C, SP was the last movie to be shown. SP was the last movie to be shown. But this is not the end of the work. Now see, EQ, for EQ, can you see? The days on which EQ will get displayed, or the different days on which EQ will get displayed, is also 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. EQ has to be displayed. EQ has to be displayed. EQ has to be displayed on a movie. EQ has to be displayed in a theater after SP in all these instances. When SP was displayed on day 4, when SP was displayed on A4, at the same spot, EQ should come on day 5. Only then will EQ get displayed after SP. Only then will EQ get displayed after SP. Now, on whichever screen SP was displayed on day 3, EQ should be displayed on day 4 or day 5. Because day 5 is already paired up with the screen on which SP is getting displayed on day 4, EQ would be displayed here on day 4. In fact, look at the pairings, the way they are getting generated. These are consecutive days. These are consecutive days. Now, where on whichever screen SP was displayed on day 2, EQ should be displayed on day 3 or day 4 or day 5. Because day 4 and day 5 have already been allocated, EQ will come on day 3 alone. Similarly, now can you see SP and EQ, because they have to be on distinct, they have to be distributed such that SP comes before EQ. EQ will come here on day 2. And now EQ is supposed to be displayed on 5 different days. Day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. These pairings have been done. So this has to be day 1. So on whichever screen SP is coming on the 5th day, EQ would be coming on the 1st day. I can guarantee this right away. This is done. SP and EQ, the pairings with which they operate, they are consecutive numbers. So as soon as you see only 2 consecutive spots left, or EQ is placed or SP is placed, you know where they are going. And all of that stems from the first statement alone. All of that stems from the first statement alone. If you don't interpret this first statement, you can still possibly, by a lot of trial and error, reach an answer. But if you interpret it in this manner, then things will become extremely simple. TKR was the third movie to be screened on screen B. So this is TKR. And it was screened after PC. So one of these 2 spots is going to be PC. If one of these 2 spots is going to be PC, I know SP and EQ cannot be in these 2 spots. Because they have to be in consecutive spots, the only way it works is if SP is here and EQ is here. SP and EQ comes here. We know this. Hopefully you did not make the error. It was screened after PC does not mean PC comes on day 2 itself. It could be on day 1. It could be on day 2. Both these spots, if it had been if the instruction had been, it was screened immediately after PC, then PC would have been on day 2. But when it says it was screened after PC, you can't say that it has to be on day 2 when PC is displayed. Okay. PC was screened on 2 other screens prior to W. So if PC was displayed on 2 other screens prior to W, it was on the 3rd day that PC was screened on W. PC comes in here. Okay. And was screened on N immediately after it was screened on W. It was screened on N immediately after it was screened on W. Okay, this is done. Now let's see. This is the end of all the instructions. Now, in theater N, SP and EQ have to come somewhere. Can it be the first 2 days? Possibly. SP and EQ can come here. Can it be on the second days? Yes, possibly. It can come there. Can it be on the 3rd day? Yes, possibly. Lots of places it can come at. But look at PC on day 2 or in screen C. PC in screen C. It cannot come on 1st day. It cannot come on 5th day because they are already allocated. So PC can only come here. PC can only come here. And if PC can only come here, look at the column C. It is supposed to have TGST and TKR mode. TKR can't come on day 3. So this has to be TGST. And therefore, this has to be TKR, or screen C is entirely. Screen C is entirely. In addition to that, look at this. In addition to that, we know that for screen B, one of the first 2 days is going to be PC. It cannot be PC. It cannot be PC on the 2nd day because on the 2nd day, we already have PC on screen C. So PC has to be on day 1 here. Now for screen B, PC is here, TK is here, SP is here, EQ is here. The only movie left is TGST. So this is also allocated. Now PC has come at 4 places. And screen N, screen C, screen W, screen B. The only spot where PC hasn't come is screen E. And the only day PC hasn't come is on day 5. So PC will necessarily come here. And PC is entirely taken care of. This movie of PC is entirely taken care of. Okay. Now what else can I focus on? Okay. Look at W. This screen W. Can SP and EQ come on day 1 and 2? Possibly. Can they come on 2 and 3? No, PC is holding it up. Can they come on 3 and 4? No, PC is already holding it up. Can they come on 4 and 5? No, SP and EQ are already on day 4 and day 5 on screen B. So the only spot where SP and EQ can come in consecutive spots on screen W is this SP and EQ. Following it up with, now see, this column needs a TKR and a TGST. It cannot have TKR on day 4 because day 4 TKR was on screen C. So this has to be TGST, and therefore this will turn to TKR. Now the only movie left on day 5 to be allocated is TGST, and the only movie left to be allocated on day 4 is EQ. If this is EQ, we know EQ is always preceded by SP. So this is also done. Now for the column E, we have two things left, TKR and TGST. TGST cannot come on day 2. So TGST will be here and TKR will be here. And now we have everything known apart from the first column of the first 3 rows. So TKR will come here and SP will come here and EQ will come here. And now we have all the entire schedule available for all 5 days for all 5 screens. Let's get to individual questions. Which movie was screened on the first day at screen C? It was EQ. On which screen was SP screened on the 4th day? On the 4th day, SP was screened on screen B. So option A. Which of the following is the correct order of screens from first day to 5th day on which TGST was screened? It should be E, starting off with E. So there is just one option that starts off with E. Then it is on B. Then it is on C. Then it is on W. And finally it is on M. So yes, this order is correct. Should be right. On which screen was EQ screened immediately on the next day after it was screened on screen N? EQ on screen N came on day 3. So on day 4, it was screened on screen E. So option B should be the answer. And hopefully you can see this is a fairly straightforward question if you understand this first instruction well. And this is a very common instruction when it comes to Sudoku type sets. So please take care of this. This will help you immensely in such setups. That will be all.